Question 15, we're told about a 3-digit number. We're going to assign 3 letters to represent the digits in the number, X, Y, and Z. We're also told that the second digit is 3 times the third, so that tells us that Y is equal to 3 times whatever the Z value is. Another piece of information we're given is that the sum of the digits is equal to 16. So if we were to add the X, the Y, and the Z, we get 16. Grand. Next bit of information is that when the digits are reversed, they are equal to 594 less the original number. Now this is probably something you're not familiar with, and I'll do a separate video just explaining how I came up with this particular expression. But I'll continue on for this one and not stop just yet. So we tidy this up, bringing all the letters over to the right hand side, and we end up with this equation, and we'll call that equation 1. All I've done here is just change the signs of the numbers. It's not necessary, but you can do it if you want. If we go back to the sum of the digits equation that we had, we can change the Y term into 3 times Z from the original piece of information in the question that told us that Y, the second term, was equal to 3 times Z, i.e. 3 times the third term. When we do that, we now have an expression in X and Z. So we now have 2 expressions in 2 unknowns, and as you can probably guess, we're going to do simultaneous equations. So we put them together. All I've done here is just simplify this top equation. Now you could have done that earlier, that would have been fine. Divide all the way across by 99, and then I've changed the signs of the top line to allow me to eliminate the X terms. I can then solve for Z, and I find that Z is equal to 2. If I sub that into one of my equations, the X plus 4Z equals 16 equation, I solve that out, and X is equal to 8. Then if I pop the value of Z into Y equals 3 times Z, the second being equal to 3 times the third, I get Y is equal to 6. Put my number together, and the entire number is 862.